First thing I want to do is just make sure I have the brake on before I start jacking the car. So to keep a car from rolling when you're jacking it up, just put something in front and behind the tire, just to keep the car from rolling. Now, I'm gonna jack this up, so we're gonna place it here, and then I'm gonna start jacking. Good enough. So again, the reason why I put a jack stand here is just gives it a lot more stability so the car doesn't rock or fall over while you're underneath. So look at the passenger side of the vehicle. Sometimes there's a cover over this. For this one, here's your oil pan and here's your oil filter. So what I'm going to do is put something here to catch the oil. We're going to undo this bolt for the oil pan, and then we're going to take off this oil filter. So we have our oil pan, and we're going to take off that filter and the drain plug on the oil pan. So get started. So that's a 17 millimeter. If you wear a pair of gloves, then you don't have to clean your hands as much. So 17 millimeter. So a trick is if someone uses an impact wrench and you can't get something off, if you can find a pipe that'll fit over top of what you're trying to use, you can get more leverage. So this isn't exactly what I would want, but it's what I have at the moment. Make sure you have your oil pan underneath, and now you can drain this out. Slow and steady. Yeah, now it's loose. Cool. Just gonna put a little dab of oil on the gasket so it doesn't seize up the next time I try to change it. Need to put the new filter back on. It's already tidy. So now we're going to put the plug back in. tighten up the oil filter till it's pretty much hand tight. That's all tightened up. We'll go up top and put the oil back in. I'm just going to take the cap off. You can see it's 5W20. So I'm going to go switch over to synthetic. Just check, wipe off the engine oil. In the manual it says it takes 3.8 quarts. Doesn't include the filter, so I'll just check with the dipstick, see how much I need to put in. So I'm looking to get it between the low and the full. It's just at the very edge. We're in between the full and the low, so I'll have just a little bit more. We're just under full, so we're good. Roll cap back on. Just need to close this. Get the jack stand back out. So you're just going to take the old oil, fill it up in containers, and bring it back to the Pep Boys or AutoZone or wherever you got it from. And they'll take it and recycle it. Yeah, it should definitely have had more like 4 quarts, so I guess my car is burning or leaking oil. I don't see any leaks, so it's got to be burning oil. It's pretty black. That's pretty bad. Well, if you want to see how to do anything else, let me know. Leave them in the comments. And thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe. Thanks. Bye.